we get it.
Like
Stop.
put the little thingy on it special. Isadora is the absolute best. Girl boss.
Oh, sister, that is so sweet of you. Can we continue now?
Yuck, I would never say girl boss.
Look, I need to find my lucky talisman and I need your help and everyone to be on board. Now, do you want to help me?
Hey!
All right, then I need you to stand up. And I need you to take 2 steps forward. And if you're really short, I need you to stand right here. Really short. If you're short, you get to be in the front. If you're tall, you get to be behind them. But everyone gets to participate. All right, here, why don't you come over here, little short friend? You want to come closer? Can you see? Well, I'm talking about the one behind you. It's okay, we can see. Here, can you maybe let that kid go in front of you, Dakota? Is that okay? There we go. Perfect. Now everyone gather around, but don't come any closer. I get scared. All right, now, we need to find my lucky talisman. Freeze! Back up! Back up! Wait, the only way to find my lucky talisman is to create a lucky talisman of our own. Do you think you can do that? I need everyone to stick their hands out like this and think of something very special to you, all right? Whether it's a squishmallow or a toy. Don't worry though, it's basic magic, right? Your actual toy or squishmallow will be safe at home.
Maybe it's your jar of toenail clippings that you keep underneath your bed. But don't worry, your actual toenail clippings will be safe at home waiting for you.
And this is why we don't go into Herb's room, right?
Her room is fun, it has spiders.
Oh man, it's just gross. Exactly. Nasty. Now, who wants to share what they have? Raise your hand. Oh, you're going to sacrifice your family for my nice little talisman? Thank you so much. Goodbye, Mom, Dad, and Mimi. Who's next? Who else wants to share? Your Barbies, thank you for the contribution. Oh, your pug? Oh, thank you for your pug. You wanna go?
Oh, someone over the
Oh, your Labradoodle? That's fine. Not a pug, everyone. What do you think? Snow globes, thank you. What about you? Your house? Oh, I hope it fits. Your blankie, thank you.
I like blankies.
Your stuffed ghost. What do you want to put in? Mickey, thank you for adding Mickey. No infringement. Like all of it?
All of his what?
Deer hunting items. Thank you.
And the deer themselves too.
Oh, nice. My pets? Oh, perfect. Thank you for your pets. Your cats? Anybody else want to share? Your fish? Perfect. What do you have? Oh, perfect. Your mom let you have candy and now you're doing a spell. That's wonderful. Great news. Anybody else want to share what they're going to put? Oh, funny videos of our show. Perfect. Fortnite. The whole thing. Perfect.
Wow.
Adding it in. All right, now everyone, now that we know what we're going to put in, hold out your hands and close your eyes. Don't get too close. I see you sneaking. Great. Repeat after me, everyone. What is special to you is special to me.
What is special to you is special to me.
Throw it into the pot and count to 3.
Throw it into the pot and count to 3.
Everyone throw it in.
Ooh.
If you're back there, go ahead, overhand. I know you all had something too. Good, yes, wonderful. Perfect, now let's all put our witch hands up. Count to 3. Careful where you point those, all right? Point it at the cauldron. Ready? Yeah, exactly, there you go. They're reaching, Dakota. Here we go, everyone count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Perfect, oh, is my talisman in there? Does it have directions? Where is it? Is it a clue? What's in there?
It's a riddle. Look, it's a riddle, guys. It's a riddle. Look, do you see it? It's a riddle. Do you see it? It's a riddle. It has jokes.
Okay, could you just read it?
Okay. The season is waning. The end is nigh. Look to the heavens as the crow flies.
But what does
150,000 Southwest miles. I bet I could cover all of us.
Crow, Herb, what are you saying? Now remember, everyone, if you've played before, make sure everyone gets a chance to find our special items, right? You can help.
Yes.
Now, a crow. Has anyone seen a crow around here before? Where? Some people are pointing. Maybe we should go. Find the crow. Go. Fly, little crow.
Oh, I see him.
Carefully. Fly, little crows. Let's find them. Hello, Mr. Crow. Is it okay, you think, to say that? Is it okay to go
I don't know. Here, let me try.
Okay.
Hey, I'm talking to you.
Okay, easy,
I was just
Herb.
trying to get his attention.
You got everyone's attention with that.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Now listen, does anyone here possess the skill of speaking to animals?
Does anyone can speak to animals on their LinkedIn page?
Yeah? You can, you two come with me. Come here. That's close enough. Listen here. Listen. You three here. Great. You come here too. I need you four to do this. Can you do this? I need you to be super casual though. I don't want to come off too desperate to this crow, okay? We need to be calm, we need to be cool, collected. You think you can achieve that? Yeah? Great. Now I just need you to be really honest with them. Just be like, hey, Isadore's powers are draining by the minute. Thank you for keeping her quiet. Thank you, I appreciate the shushing. See that? We're paying attention. Now, listen. When you go over there to say Isadore's powers are draining by the minute, who knows what's going to happen to her family if we don't find it? Does that make sense? They could all cease to exist. We really don't know. Does that make sense? Yeah? You got that? Great. I need you all to turn to that crow, and I need you to just very, very loudly yell, hey, crow, in whatever way you think the crow would respond to. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hello. I could hear you the whole time. I just didn't like your tone. It is I, Alistair Crowley.
Hi, I'm Herb.
I know the talisman of what you see, for I see everything. I would definitely recommend putting one of those little thingies on it in the future.
And airtime!
Listen closely. The talisman lies to your left in the wood, but the person who finds it has to be good. You will find what you seek in a box, in a bag. You'd have had it by now if you had an air tag.
I told you!
Okay, I will put an air tag on it! But you know what? Tiles are good too. Some people are Android users. Are you an Android user? You know what? It's okay.
I don't know.
You don't know what an Android is? Me either.
Okay, to the left. Is that our left? Is that your left?
Would be
My
the
left.
crow's left?
Or the crow's
That
left? Is it
Okay,
trees left?
okay.
Is it the trees
Do we
left?
remember what we're looking for?
A box?
A box,
A box
in a bag.
in a bag.
Right? Okay, so don't touch it when you find it, because I don't know what'll happen to you.
How about-
Which is a touch. How about we just split up in this area?
I will go over here and you can take some over
some
here.
people need to check
on
the porch. Let's go.
Let's look
around.
over here.
Make sure.
Over here. Speedy's moving over there.
Let's
Okay,
look
is it
around,
over there?
everyone.
No?
Does anyone see any? Do you have one? Did you bring a box in the bag that has my talisman specifically in it? No?
Maybe it's
Guys, what are you looking for? What do you see? You found it? Oh, don't touch it! Give it to me, quick! Who knows what'll happen to you? I'm not liable to whatever happens to this child in 20 years. All right, everyone, let's open it. Come on, let's open it. Get off there. You're going to get hurt. Come here. It's okay, look, it's right here. Someone grabbed it already. All right, let's open it up, huh? Perfect. They're my car keys. It's my lucky talisman. Thank goodness you guys helped me find it. I had no idea how I was going to get home today.
I was gonna have to take the bus.
True, I was going to make her walk.
That's true.
Oh, thank you for the support. Now, everyone.
Why would I walk though? I could swim.
Sure, in this rain.
What? I
Okay, thank
have a
you.
look.
I'll take that into
Okay, anyways,
consideration.
thank you so much, everyone. You saved the day. Now, if you could go back over the spell
Oh,
line.
quick. Thank you all for your help.
That was very kind of you.
Oh, thank goodness.
We will be back out, weather permitting. I don't know the weather. I'm not a meteorologist, but if it's raining at 3:40, then it won't happen. But at 3:40, we're telling a story, and at 4 o'clock, we're having another spellcasting ceremony.
We hope you all enjoy your Halloweekins and have a very spooky day. We'll see you all very soon.
Yay! Bye-bye. Bye.